Okay. Okay, hi guys. Well, today we're going to be doing a Miss A's haul and a Walmart haul. So at Walmart, I got a circle bottom for the first time, and I love it so much. In fact, to prove that it's real, here. And look. So there you go. So good. Makes me actually want to drink water. Then, of course, Miss A's. Okay, so first of all, I got this cute, adorable sketchy. They got these adorable bracelets too. Like, I love them. This anklet. And I got this water game. Get one. No, but I'm gonna keep showing this to you guys until I get one. Oh, I got one. Okay, wait, yeah, I got one. Okay, I got a Crybaby like squishy. It's so cute. Love it so much. This is it's like a mirror and a comb, but I can't open it. Okay, I opened it. So it's like a mirror, and then it comes with a little comb, which goes right there, and then you close it, and this is Smile. And you open it, then it has a little comb. Like, I did not know what this is, but I wanted to find out, so that's why I bought it, but now I love it. And look how good this thing works. No, the only reason my hair is straight is because I used this earlier. This, like, whole thing, part of hair was, like, so tangled. Like, oh my gosh. I love it so much though. And then another set of comb and mirror. They're little flowers, and they like come together in a pack, and then like it's not one, it's two. But I think it is supposed to be one, because like it fits together perfect. And those little holes at the bottom. So like comment down below if you think it's supposed to be together. But oh my gosh. I'm fixing to sneeze. I feel like it. And then the back of this says believe in magic. Which I do. Comment down below if you believe in magic. If the comments are on. And then these. They're so cute. I got some more hair ties. I also got a little bath bomb. It's a little blue donut. It's so cute. And I got this. I love it so much. It's lip gloss. Like, Mirror Girl, you know that you can't survive without lip gloss. Admit it. I'm there too. Look at that. It's like so pretty. You can't even tell. Let me put it on so you can tell. I love it. Oh, and it's great. This place has the cutest little glue sticks. Look. Oh, I got one more thing. But I put it on my backpack already. yeah, it has a bunch of stuff in it. My jacket, my water bottle, and the lunchbox. I'll put those up in a second. And then I have a bunch of keychains on it. And then it's this shoe. Blah. That one I got today. Bruh. Don't mind that, I'm a horrible artist. And then there's this. And yeah. Let me see if I have any more, and if not, that's it. And to all my haters out there, please don't hate. People do this because they like it. And when I do my dancing videos, dancing, I feel like is my career for me. You can't like stop this. You can't stop me from doing my career. So like, yeah. So, have you ever heard of be nice, be kind? Here, when I hear the song we have to do it at school, it's our affirmation song. I don't want to do it. Okay. There's no one better to be than myself. Today's gonna be an amazing day. My feelings matter. Miss Jones' class here to work and play. Be strong. Be great. It's okay to make a mistake. Be happy. Be glad. Don't let nothing make you sad. Be nice. Be kind. Because you have a wonderful mind. Be positive. Be happy. Be positive. Be happy. Be positive. Be happy. That was so weird. I did not like that like that. But yeah. You have to do that at school. So let me see if there's anything else. If not, that's it. So, looks like that's everything. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.